good, YouTube? It's your girl King K once again, and I'm back with another video. What's up, y'all? So by the title, as you know, this is my first flight. And not only my first flight, this is my first flight as a plus size woman. So I am getting on American Airlines. Never flew before, and to my understanding, American Airlines have the smallest seats and only about one seat. So we're gonna definitely see how this goes. So if you're a plus size individual and you're wondering what it's gonna be like to get on a plane, then make sure you watch the rest of the video. Make sure you like and subscribe, comment below, and look out for more videos. All right. Being plus size, you do have to realize that it's going to be a long walk at the airport. When we got there, it was an extremely long walk. We had to go through so many different stages of taking off our shoes, and we had to pretty much go through so many different steps of things that I'll go over shortly. But right here, I'm on the plane, and pretty much Sin is just showing how I look in the seat. That's the seat belt on me. I did have to get an extender. This right here is just showing how it looks in front of me. It was really tight, y'all. I mean, it was extremely tight. I couldn't. This part right here, I'm showing you, like, I'm trying to pull it down, and it wouldn't even go down all the way, because my stomach was in the way. But I really didn't use it. But if I did have to use it, yeah, it wouldn't have worked. This portion up here is pretty much for, I guess, if you want your tablet or your phone or something like that. They do have another portion up top that I'm going to show you, where if you don't have like a tablet, you can use this portion right here, and that's for your phone. And those were just like paper stuff, like it had the menu back there if you wanted something to eat. It also had the watch now, so you'll connect that to your phone and you can watch movies and shows and different things like that. And it did tell you also a pamphlet of all the movies and shows that they have available, so that's really good also. But back to what I was saying before, there were a lot of different steps with it. I mean, we had to go through so many steps, taking your shoes off, and you had to get your hands clean for explosives and so much stuff. So, I mean, overall, it was a tight flight. The best thing that I would say for people to do if you're plus size is get someone skinny to be in the middle and you be on the end, just so a stranger is not beside you and you're squishing them. Unfortunately, Sin is little, so he was in the middle and the other person was on the other side, and they was perfectly fine. But that would be the best way to go if you are bigger. But overall, the flight itself was horrible to me, but that's on my cruise vlog, so please watch that and I will tell you exactly how I felt about the flight. But as far as comfortableness, feeling comfortable, I would say 1 out of 10, I was a good 5. American Airlines is not for plus size people at all. I don't recommend it for plus size people, but if you have to, just know what you're getting yourself into. Thanks for watching, you guys. Next time, bye.